other team members of the debating team. Supposed to be you are a debating team. So sana nagkaroon ng participation among the other members. Kasi kaya siya tinawag na team, supposed to be lahat ng members na participate. So maganda sana lahat kayo nagkaroon ng comment and rebuttals against the yun. Sa naman nila JP, so maganda yung mga rebuttals, medyo nanginginig lang si JP.
Magkaroon muna tayo ng picture taking para sa